The web runs on HTTP. It's the language your browser uses to talk to websites. Every time you open a page, your browser sends a request. The server answers with a response. That's how the internet delivers content. But sometimes you don't connect directly. Instead, you use a proxy. A proxy is like a middle step. Your request goes to the proxy. The proxy forwards it to the website, and then it sends the response back to you. FlashProxy works exactly this way. It helps you browse with more privacy. It can bypass restrictions, and it keeps your data secure with encrypted tunnels for HTTPS. In short, HTTP is the web's language, and proxies like FlashProxy give you more control, privacy, and freedom online. FlashProxy, simple, secure, and fast.